Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you enable Klarna in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to enable Klarna in your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing high ticket, offering your customers a way to pay through Klarna can increase your conversions because they can split up their payments. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to enable Klarna as a payment method, here on the top right, you're going to click on the gear icon. Once you do that, you want to look for the payment button right here called payments. It looks like a little wallet. Once you do that, you're going to see these options here at the top, and you want to click on payment method. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the payment methods you've enabled, and you want to scroll down until you see the Klarna logo. It's this kind of salmon colored one right here. And then off to the right, you're going to see this button turn on. Click. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see my Klarna payments are now enabled in my Stripe account. So when one of my customers are paying one of my Stripe invoices, they can choose to pay with Klarna. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect Klarna to your Stripe payments, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.